Hello everyone, if you're getting this error in Roblox Internal Server Error, error code 500, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying error on your Roblox. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here view network connections, you're going to open it up, you're going to click onto your network, you're going to right click on it, go into properties, go into Internet Protocol version 4, click properties here, click on use the following DNS server addresses, right here 8.8.8.8 and then write 8.8.4.4, click OK and then click OK here as well. And now you're going to disable your internet connection. So just disable it for like 5 to 10 seconds. And after that, you're going to open it up and you're going to wait for it to be connected. And once it's done connecting, then you can go ahead and try to play Roblox on your computer and you'll see that you won't get that error 500 anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.